Even while having an amazing time at the excavation sites of the ruins of Pompeii, you might feel sudden shivers down your spine. On a fateful day in 79 CE, Mount Vesuvius, which is located very close to Pompeii, erupted after a long time, and as it spewed lava, the volcanic ash it had sent up in the air began clobbering down on Pompeii. Even though a vast majority of the population fled the catastrophe, around 2,000 people, which is quite a lot for those days, went down along with the city, choking on the ash-laden air and the superheated poison gas. In this way, Pompeii and a few nearby towns were completely lost. In the 18th century, the ruins of Pompeii was discovered. Skeletons were found where the people had fallen, and objects of daily use as well as food items like bread were unearthed. Now, this place is a tourist destination. You can see ruins of the luxury villas of the affluent, the ruins of the Temple of Apollo, which is the surviving testimony to the city's long history. Personally, I enjoyed the Forum of Pompeii and the amphitheater. This amphitheater is even older than Colosseum by almost a century. And it was the first amphitheater built by the Romans out of stone. During your time in Pompeii, you can take the public bus to Mount Vesuvius, which is still active even today, which caused the massacre of the city of Pompeii. The bus drops you at the parking lot of the Mount Vesuvius National Park, from where you need to hike up to the crater. It takes around 30-35 minutes to walk up to the crater. From up there, at around 1280 meters, the views are really amazing. When we walked up to the crater, we could smell sulfur, and we could see a bit of gas coming out from certain sections of the crater. It was an incredible experience, and I'm so grateful that we were able to do this. Walking around the ruins of Pompeii and going up till this crater was a reminder that nothing is permanent and that we are really small against the forces of nature. Well, for now I guess we just need to wait and hope that Mount Vesuvio stays calm for a long time from now. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions about visiting Pompeii or the crater of Vesuvius, then you can check the description box and also leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.